Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for everyone: budgeting and saving money. Whether you're saving for a big purchase or just want to get your finances in order, these tips will help you make the most of your money. So let's get started. Tip number 1, track your expenses. You can't manage what you don't measure. Start by writing down every expense, no matter how small, for at least a month. This could be as simple as using a notebook or a spreadsheet, or you can use budgeting apps that link to your bank accounts and automatically track your spending. This will help you see exactly where your money is going and identify areas where you might be overspending. For example, you might find that you're spending more on dining out than you realized. Tip number 2, create a budget. Once you have a clear picture of your expenses, create a monthly budget that outlines your income, allocates funds to necessary expenses, savings, and discretionary spending. Start with your fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and loan payments. Next, allocate money for variable expenses such as groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Finally, set aside a portion of your income for savings and financial goals. Use tools like spreadsheets or budgeting apps to help you stick to this budget. Remember, a budget is not meant to restrict you, but to help you make intentional choices about how you spend your money. Tip number 3, set financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, a new gadget, or building an emergency fund, having clear goals will keep you motivated to stick to your budget. Write down your goals and break them into manageable steps. For example, if you want to save $1,200 for a vacation in a year, that means you need to save $100 each month. Having specific, measurable goals will give you something to work towards and make it easier to track your progress. Tip number 4, cut unnecessary expenses. Do you really need that daily coffee shop latte? Consider making coffee at home or finding other small ways to reduce your spending. Look at your tracked expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. This might include dining out less often, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives for things you regularly buy. These small changes can add up to significant savings over time. Tip number 5, use cash envelopes. This is a great way to control your spending in different categories. Allocate cash for different spending categories like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Once the cash in an envelope is gone, you can't spend any more in that category for the month. This method helps you stay within your budget and makes you more mindful of your spending. Tip number 6, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account each month. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill that you pay to yourself. By automating your savings, you ensure that you're consistently setting aside money without having to think about it. This can help you build an emergency fund, save for big purchases, or invest for the future. Tip number 7, shop with a list. Before you go shopping, make a list of what you need and stick to it. This helps avoid impulse purchases and keeps your spending in check. Whether you're grocery shopping, buying clothes, or shopping for gifts, having a list will keep you focused on what you really need and prevent unnecessary spending. Tip number 8, buy in bulk. For non-perishable items and things you use regularly, buying in bulk can save you money in the long run. Items like toilet paper, cleaning supplies, and canned goods often come at a lower cost per unit when bought in larger quantities. Just make sure you have the storage space to accommodate bulk purchases. Tip number 9, use coupons and discounts. Take advantage of sales, coupons, and discount codes whenever possible. There are plenty of apps and websites that can help you find the best deals and save money on your purchases. Even small discounts can add up over time, so it's worth the effort to look for savings opportunities. And finally, tip number 10, review and adjust regularly. Your financial situation and goals may change, so it's important to review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. This will help you stay on track and continue to make progress towards your financial goals. Set a reminder to review your budget at least once a month and make any necessary changes. There you have it, folks. 10 tips to help you budget and save money. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And let us know in the comments below which tip you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.